Shout to Pittsburgh. Oh, nah. Philly, what's up?
Man, what's good, gang? Y'all already know who the hell and what the hell going on, boy. It's Big Tino, not the little Tino. Y'all, man, got the little Thrasher shirt with my granny on it. Y'all can't see, we got the engraving on the back from her birthday when she passed. But now, gang, hey, check it. We're finna go to DB Customs car show. So y'all finna get some good car footage, so don't leave the damn video. Second of all, we done did an upgrade to the truck to make this boy clap. We're gonna get some footage of this clapping. Like, I mean, you know how you behind your girl and you behind that, boo, 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 boo. And yo, on me, it's banging. I'm gonna flip this camera and show y'all what we did to the truck real quick. That made it sound 100 times louder, clear. But man, stick around for the whole video. Out with the old, in with the new. Y'all see that's the NEX? So y'all know this ain't the little boy. That's the little boy. That's the yeah, and the screen cracked now because I cracked it. But look, we with the new big boy. These changing colors of crap. I gotta figure out how to work this. Man, new radio, man. 13 band EQ. We got hold on, oh, there you go, y'all. We got radio, CD, Bluetooth, Pandora, Spotify. And this truck sound 100 times louder, gang. But we finna slide to the car wash and get this little baby cleaned up. I ain't gonna lie, we ain't gonna no hand wash. We finna go through the little touchless wash, get this situated.
Hey, big bad woo, we just smoke a Ford. All the shit I do, niggas can't afford. Had a bad before see around trap out the drawer. You get hit with F and then it's wrong one. These niggas. I'm rocking one. They got a my body. Shit is
What up?
Come take my hand and run through my land.
from your hand. Sorry that I wanted you.
I said, is that enough look? Now look at that look. Man. Man, it's gonna be cold. What that bitch sitting there? Oh, 13 folks.
With no eyes, quick to come up off the hip. Pushing P impression, yeah, they may get you dipped. I went right, I seen Rolex, but my partner screaming crap. This shit for poke, better get your wrist on trip. I was just fucking on her and her friend. Mine's in the green, so don't call me 10. My whole reach, she whipping again. She whipping the table and let what she saying. Ain't about no paper, you can't talk big. I know that you tellin' to a crack you like skins. Kill all the rest, let the real on the pen. Yeah. 360, boy, I hop out it been in the end. 360, boy, hit mess me up, then I'm spinning. 556 in the clip, it hurt your shimmy. I ain't hurting, bitch, I'm Spurling County benching. No L's in them, 4 license suspended.
Was up on the board till I showed them the state. Niggas hurting from thumbing through racks. I feel like an Indian, I sent a suit man on my back. But it's still 23 on my strap. I had dreams of balling on fields and they still writing rap. Trying to put my whole team on the map. We already known in the streets and that's really the fact. Fully out of AR is attached. So ain't no put fake in the street and you playing that stage. Yeah, we quick to get fucked niggas way, but I swear from the shoulders I'm Cody. I'm so Brody. I got power. That's your bitch. I just bought it. That's your bitch. I just bought it. Person might playing time. I just fuck the face. On Lord Day. On the last down, the last car, just turn it up to an outcome. Give it hard, give it money. Got spoiled niggas hungry.
These streets can't cross it. Bust them up, all these streets need bosses. Bust them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up, all these streets need bosses. Kill my dog, get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom, niggas, so my nigga, we get it, we splitting it up. Get my bitch to me, baby, the pussy, I take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on bigger, no bitches ain't having no party set up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up, ain't nothing, shit. We turn the drill right up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we bust, shit,
I got a rep, don't disturb me when I'm on fire. I'm a goodie, but I need you, baby, when I'm high. Breaking and I'm feeling alone. Yeah, coming like a feeling like no one hit the top, I feel that shit in my bone. I done working on me, hit the drop, I got 1,000 pesos, run around the phone. Boy, I'm working in my soda, Bobby, when I'm on the click, I stick it out of the phone. From the 7 right, I'm in the booth until I make it. Put it in the door, take it out, I join you.